What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the all new Ultimate Traders Hub from AlgoBuddy, which is our brand new Notion template specifically designed for day traders. The main purpose behind this Ultimate Traders Hub is to backtest, journal, and keep track of every single trade, as this is essential to becoming a profitable day trader. After purchase, you're going to be delivered a Notion link. And once you click that link, you're going to be asked to duplicate this Notion template here to your Notion account. Now, this is the homepage for the Ultimate Traders Hub. This left side is going to be your main navigation hub. It's going to have the links to all of the important tabs here, your account balance, news feed. Here in the center, this is our built-in trade tracker, along with the calendar that tracks every single one of your trades automatically, and then it'll plot those right here on the trade tracker. So for example, you would have put down, if you had taken this trade on Bitcoin, that it was Bitcoin, a short, you had order flow confluence, it was during the New York session. This is the percent you risked, the risk reward, and then the net profit, whether it was a profit or loss. And then it'll automatically get plotted right here on the trade tracker. Another really cool feature is the fact that you can sort these trades by monthly view, so you can see every single trade for that specific month directly on your calendar. And then also there is the sort feature, which allows you to filter specific trades. For example, if you wanted to take a look at all of your Bitcoin trades to track your crypto trading strategy that month. On the right side here, we have a built-in checklist to keep you accountable on every single trade to make sure you're following your trading rules. We'll have daily reminders here for any important events or news coming up, some key levels that you may be looking out for, then just some more checklists and reminders to keep you accountable on every single trade. Moving down, we have our habit tracker. This is where you can keep track of important tasks like waking up early, drinking water, studying, exercising, eating healthy to really keep you accountable. On this left side here, you're going to see our advanced screener. On the right side here, we have a tab for the built-in notebook, which is really just a place to jot down any of your thoughts. And we have our Spotify playlist here. Down here, you'll see the FAQs and other important links. Going through some of the features of the Ultimate Traders Hub, we'll start with the Accounts tab. This is where you can keep track of every single account balance you have across your trading accounts. It'll see if you're on track to hit your goals, what your net profit and loss is for that account, what your ROI is for that specific account. This is the Trades tab. Honestly, probably one of the most important, as like we said, backtesting and journaling, tagging every trade is critical to becoming a profitable day trader. And what this tab does is allows you to see everything that went into each trade you took, so as long as you're logging each trade. So you can start to notice patterns that are beginning to develop in your trading. And then this is the backtesting log, similar to the trading log, but it's just going to allow you to see how your trades are progressing and which strategies worked and which didn't. This is our Notebooks tab. This is just where you can jot down any thoughts. And then this is the Journal tab, just allows you to journal each day. This is the News tab. You're going to see all of the important and biggest news publication links here at the top. You're going to have an automatic news feed built in right from investing.com. Here, you're going to have a built-in economic calendar. Moving over to the Tools tab, you're going to have a built-in TradingView widget here. You're going to have your exchange rate table, any other live charts here. We also have the important links to other important tools built in right here. And you're going to have a more in-depth habit page to more accurately track all of your daily habits to make sure you are staying on top of them. And then we also have a little built-in Pomodoro here. So that was just a quick rundown of everything inside the Ultimate Traders Hub. When you purchase, you're going to get lifetime access to every single update that we make to the Ultimate Traders Hub. You're going to get 24/7 support from us, the AlgoBuddy team. What's really cool about the Ultimate Traders Hub is all of these sections can be customized and modified to fit your liking. If you somehow mess up this template in any way, it automatically saves your previous spot in Notion, so you never have to worry about completely destroying the template. So we hope you enjoy the Ultimate Traders Hub just as much as we do. If you haven't purchased already, go ahead and click that link, and we'll see you in the next one.